I am here again at the beach where my wings go big to slide in water. Let's go. You can even show us how we fly in water. Come on. When the world must come together as one. Thank you. There are people dying. Oh, when it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can't go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will see change. We're all a part of God's great big family, and the truth, you know, love is all we need. Beyond the world, beyond the truth, beyond the world, so let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me. Well, send them your heart, so they know that someone cares, and their lives will be stronger and free. As God has shown us by turning stone to bread, and so we all must lend a helping hand. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones that make a brighter day. So let's start giving. Oh, there's a choice we're making. We're saving our lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me. When you're down and out, there seems no hope at all. But if you just believe, there's nowhere we can fall. Well, let's realize, oh, that a change can only come when we stand. And that's Femi. The young man that grows wings at sea. You have anything to say, Justin? Yeah. Come on. Now I need to keep eye contact. Yeah, that's how we do it.
Your support and donation will empower and guarantee a better future for people with disabilities in Africa. Every single day, your contributions make a significant impact. Your support is the heartbeat of our mission, transforming lives of people with disabilities across Africa. Each donation you make means more than you can imagine. It's not just about financial gifts, it's about the hope and opportunities you provide.